Hi Cancerians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute in Finite Healing, and I'm here to tell you how will the month of November fare for you. So are you excited? Have you been watching my videos? Have you been following? And do comment and tell me how did you feel about the readings and what else would you like to know. And I'm open for a personal consultation also. You could also message me, or you have all the numbers on YouTube as well as on Google, on Facebook, on Insta. Yes, so let me see. नवंबर में क्या होने वाला है? All right. Frankly, Cancerians, everything is really good in your life. November, I'm so happy. The month of November, almost whatever videos I've done till now, they are all good. So I'm really happy because October was a little shaky, and September was okay. But this is really good for everyone. I think times are changing, the planetary moments are changing, the energies are changing. So the readings are also changing. I'm so liking it. So the trailer of the month. The message for you all is do not be a miser. Do not be a miser, and I do not mean this only with money. I also mean with your behavior and thoughts. So sometimes we really feel, I should have gone and helped that person, but ठीक है, this person really behaved very bad with me when I met him for the first time, so I'm not going to help. So this is also a miser kind of a situation. It's okay. That person is what he is. You can't be that person again. You be what you are, right? And you'll have these kind of thoughts. You'll have these kind of profit and loss thoughts the whole month. What should I do? If I go here, will I get a good deal? If I go there, will I get into loss? If I meet this girl, will it be a waste of time? So you will be always calculating this whole month, and I'm saying you should not be doing that. So sway, go with the flow, have fun, just take that leap. Simple as that. Overall, see, your condition is very, very, very good this month. You will definitely comment, I'm sure. Please do that. Okay, money condition is very, very, very good. Clap. Very, very, very good. But what? You're a miser. I don't mean that you should go into charity. Okay, I don't mean that. I have great takes about charity and whom to do this charity for and all. That we'll discuss in person sometimes. But money condition is very good. I also see a big amount of money coming in. You know, I might not say lottery, but some fund giving you a good repay, some FD coming maturing, or actually you somewhere getting some gift or big amount of money. You are getting that rain of money now. Wow, so happy. A big chunk of money, yeah, that's what I mean. Very happy for you. Now career is also good. Why? I'll tell you. The whole challenge is about letting people know about your out of the box calculations, out of the box ideas. So career is good. You will have out of box ideas. Even when two people are fighting and arguing about something, you'll be like, why are they arguing? This is a simple answer. Or if someone gives you any project, you will just finish it very early because you'll be a very smart worker this time. So I'm happy even with your career, and people, even if they put you into testing conditions, like this person, he's in a testing condition, he's latkofied ulta, still he's cool. So you'll be very cool even if they put you into any kind of a testing condition, and you will fare it because You're smart and you will have out of the box ideas in career. Okay, relation also seem fine, but again, you will also calculate relations with a lot of profit and loss, and this will happen from your side, not from their side. So you will need people only when needed. You might not generally call people and ask, hi, how are you doing, and is everything fine. You will only have certain agendas and call. I might sound a little judgmental about this, uh, but this is what is showing in the cards, that this might not reap you good. See, testing time is not always when you are in your bad times and then God tests you. God also tests you in your good times. So where I see your career is going good, your money is going good, your health is good, everything is good. At that point in time, what you do is also a part of your test. So a good question which you've already by hearted was there in the portion, and you know still how you present it gives you good marks. And something out of the portion also maybe you would attempt and you'd get good marks. So here you are again tested when you're in good time. These are good times, Cancerians. You have good times now. Just don't calculate relations. You know, relations are for relations. They are not for calculations. Or else the other person should know that he's calculated and there's an agenda. Simple as that. Don't use relations for that. All right. Okay. So just one warning you might have, that someone in power, okay, someone in power, maybe in your office, maybe in your house, maybe in your family, maybe anywhere, someone in power might take undue advantage. But you are very logical this month. I know that you are very logical. You will pick that and you will be fair. Anyway, I've told you that you will be put into whatever situations you will fare. So you will understand what this person is all about and what is this all about, and you will definitely deal with it very nicely. So here, no, I am just seeing that it's a tough time judging yourself, that you can't be a miser, but still you can't be into agending with relations. You cannot have agenda with relations, but still you have to understand which are the good relations and which are the bad relations. So that's your test. I like it. I like that. You can use a clear quartz, you can use a clear quartz for clarity. And there's this goddess Maat, Egyptian goddess Maat, M-A-A-T. You could just say, Goddess Maat, please give me clarity about this person. And within 7 days, you will get the truth about that person. So then you can judge if this person is right or wrong and how to go about with this person. Great. Overall family time, overall money time, overall career time, this is a balanced time for you. And I'm very, very happy with your readings, Cancerians. Yay! I hope you're also very happy. And let me know what will happen in your life. And this is for the month of November. So, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.